So this is our Dyson, and I've got it in its little carrying case, and usually this is on the wall, but I'm going to show you guys how it works. I've had this thing for, I don't know, 5 years maybe. It's a little beat up, but the thing works great, so we keep it. And this is the charging port down here. I'm going to show you guys how to feed the line through that, and then I think I might put it on the wall over here, and yeah, or maybe over here. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so anyway, let me show you. This is the charging port that you get with these. And the way it works is you've got to pull it out and then it pops off like that. All right, so if you look on the Dyson, right here is a charging area. It's like a little port that you put it in there, and that's where how it charges. And right here on this, you can see it. But a lot of people get confused. Let me set this down. A lot of people get confused on this, how this works, or how to set it up. So it's kind of it's interesting because, let me pull this out. This is the charger, right? This is what you plug into the wall. You can see it's a Dyson. And then this line goes up behind here. So it slides up here, it wraps all the way around, it goes up here, and you're going to see this little piece here that you put in there. Then you slide it up through here, and you got to pump it through there. And then here's your electrical connector. Now if I pop that like that, this thing is loose now, and I'll show you. I can actually, if I bend this down, I can actually just pull this through here. You see that? So let me go ahead, and I'm just going to pull the whole thing out. So now this is your cradle, or this is your, your holder for your vacuum. And this right here is your electrical connector that you charge it with, right? Now I could just plug this in the back of the vacuum and charge it, right? But if you want to use the cradle that it comes with right here, then you've got to, feed this through. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Now, first of all, you can't have this up. This has to be down to start off with. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to put it through that hole there, just like that, right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to open this up. Once you do that, you can reach inside here and you can grab this. You see that? And then it's going to go right into this little hole here. And so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my finger right here. I'm just going to push on it. And it just pops in there. You see that? And it moves back and forth. It's got a spring in there. Right now what we've got to do is we've got to come back here. We've got to find this piece. And we're going to smush it right there. And then we can just run our finger up here. You see that? And run this down. And then we can just bring this all the way through, and we're going to wrap it around this little part right here, push it down, and bam. And there we go. There's our run. So our thing's up here. Our charger port is right there on the spring, through this hole, down, locked in, around, and out. Now sometimes it comes out of here, but what are you going to do? And I'll just show you, look. This is your whole thing. Comes all the way out. Now, if you wanted to get it out of there, what you would do is you come here, and first you just pop it. Then you fold this over, fold it over, and then you can pull it out. It just popped out. All right, so let me show you. To start off, you keep this down. Then you put this through the hole. Once it's through the hole, you lift this up. And then you reach in, you grab it, right? Then you come here and you push it. Then you can close this. Then you come to the back and you run your line. And the way you do it is you get this part right here shoved in there, and then you can smush this up just like that. All right. Up here, you want to make sure that this is in and it's springy. You're good. Then you come back here and you keep on smushing. You smush her in, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And there you go. And that's it right there. Now you're ready to go. Now you can screw this thing onto the wall once you've done that. All right. So that's how you run the line on the actual charger. I'll go ahead and set that down. And then just so you can see, here is your charger, right? Here's the back of the thing. You slide the back in here. And then that should come right in there. You see that? And it should meet it. And when it does, watch, it kind of compresses it. And now it'll charge, right? And then I can just plug this in down here. Here, let me show you. Then we'll just plug this in. And all I gotta do is come over here and we just put it in there like that. It made a little spark, didn't it? And now, if you look, it's charging. You see that? And that's basically how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.